My lord, actually,
Please sit down. Who are you? You are dictating an order. Please sit down. There is an inherent contradiction in the impugned order. Because, where is the impugned order page?
Page 10, my lord.
Because in paragraph 7, he states that this file states, inverted commas begin, to place this file before the Honorable HON'(BLE, Chief Justice for the Constitution of a larger bench, capital L, capital B, inverted commas closed. And at the same time, in the successive paragraph 8, he suspends four notifications issued by the ECP, particulars whereof are as under. ये numbers ले लीजिएगा, उसके लिख दीजिएगा.
my lord, actually,
Please sit down. Who are you? You are dictating an order. Please sit down. Seems to be no respect for anybody anymore. Next time you do it, we'll hold you in contempt. Who are you, a lawyer? Where have you studied? Please go and sit at the back. I don't know what's happening, what sort of education is being imparted. Supreme Court is dictating an order and she comes and stands up. Is she with you?
She's not an advocate of this court, shouldn't have addressed the court.
I don't know.
No, is she with you?
No. We don't know.
Which respectively appointed 8 returning officers for the seats reserved for women and non-Muslims, 144 district returning officers for elections to the National Assembly and Provincial Assemblies, 266 returning officers and assistant returning officers. ये भी National Assembly and Provincial Assembly for elections to the National and Provincial Assemblies, and 593. ये क्या चीज़ है? 260 national कर दें, 593 returning officers and assistant for provincial assemblies, for elections to the provincial assemblies. As such, altogether 1,011 district returning officers and returning officers have been working off kar dein. Their working has been stopped with the stroke of a pen by the learned single judge. The learned single judge also did not fail to appreciate that the officers that had been appointed were to perform functions throughout Pakistan, and in passing the impugned order, the learned judge acted well beyond the territorial jurisdiction of the High Court. Full stop. As if this was not enough, the very opening words of Article 199 were disregarded by the learned judge insofar as it stipulates that when there's an alternate adequate remedy available to the petitioner, the same should be availed of first. We are informed that Section 55, subsection 3 was such a remedy. If the petitioner had a grievance against any particular returning officer or officers, may be inquired from the petitioners whether any application was submitted before the ECP under Section 55(3). That is availing of the alternate adequate remedy, and we were told that this was not done. The petitioner states that he is an office holder of the very same political party, that is PTI, which was before this court when the said judgment was passed, wherein no such concern as expressed in the petition filed before the High Court was stated. Full stop. The petitioner also claims to be a barrister, and as such is expected not only to be well conversant with the Constitution and the laws of Pakistan, but to have read the judgment of this court, which had clearly stipulated that any attempt to derail democracy would, what was the line exactly? Where was our judgment? 224?
Lord, it's at page 231, paragraph 18 at page 231, the last line of paragraph 18 at page 231.
That no one would, no one should be allowed to, on any pretext, to derail democracy. Full stop. One individual as, however, one individual appears to have done just that, and it is indeed a matter of considerable regret that he claims to belong to a political party. And has served in such political party. And we are told that he served as an additional advocate general when the said political party was in government. Full stop. We, in view of the conduct of the petitioner,